Hello everyone, welcome to Olympiad. Today we are going to solve one cubic polynomial x cube plus x square is equal to 810, but in different style. So let's start, but before that you have to subscribe my channel for more such kind of videos. So I am writing x and then I am writing x cube and x square of few of the numbers. So I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is cube and here we are writing square. So tell me what is the cube of 1? 1, 1. What is the cube of 2? 2, 8, 4. 3 cube is 27, square is 9. 4 cube is 64, square is 16. 5 cube is 125, square is 25. 216, 36, 243, 49, 512, 64, and last is 72981. Now if you observe the last cube and square addition, if I will add both the numbers 729 and 81, then that addition will come out 810. Okay, let us consider that. I am going to write this as x cube plus x square equal to 729 plus 81. This part is done. 729 plus 81 is 810. So x cube plus x square minus 729 minus 81 equal to 0. X cube minus 729 in one bracket, x square minus 81 in another bracket equal to 0, and next step will be x cube minus 9 cube plus x square minus 9 square. Now task is simple. What I will write? I will write the difference of cube and difference of square formula. That formulas are applicable. So let me write that first. What is difference of cube? Formula a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. This is what we know. And difference of squares, a minus b, a plus b. Let's apply. So let me, I will write a minus b, so x minus 9, second bracket, a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, a square plus b square will be 81 plus ab means 9x. Similarly, difference of squares, x minus 9, x plus 9. You can see x minus 9 is common. So I will write x minus 9. I will take x minus 9 common out. So what will be left? X square plus 81 plus 9x plus x plus 9 equal to 0. Now let's solve this. Factorized form, let's solve. X minus 9 and second bracket would be x square plus 10x plus 90 equal to 0. Now two solutions are there. You can see two brackets are there basically. You will put x minus 9 equal to 0. That means x is equal to 9. Now second bracket, you will write x square plus 10x plus 90 equal to 0. Let us solve this quadratic equation. See, one root is real, that is confirmed, that is 9. And the remaining two roots of this cubic equation, cubic polynomial, that will come from this quadratic equation. If quadratic equation will have real solution, real roots, then solution will be real, otherwise imaginary. Let us solve. So because of this is quadratic equation, I am going to write quadratic formula first. So x will be equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. As per our problem, quadratic equation, a is 1, b is 10, c is 90. You can check. The coefficient of x square is 1, the coefficient of x is b, that is 10, and constant term is 90, so 90, c is 90. Let's find out. X is equal to minus b, so minus 10 plus minus square root b square will be 100, 10 square is 100, minus 4ac, so 360. 4 times 9 is 36, one more 0, divided by 2a, so 2. Now you can see minus 10 plus minus, this is negative 260 over 2. And in next step, you will write this solution in terms of iota, because square root of negative 1 is I. So you will write iota root 260 divided by 2. So here two roots are complex or imaginary. Two solutions are complex and or imaginary. So if you want to cross check, then you can check. Otherwise, two complex solution or roots. Here are two solutions and this one is your real solution, that is x equal to 9. Now I am just going to check whether this solution is correct or incorrect. So let me write there, check. Left hand side is x cube plus x square and right hand side is 810. Our solution is x is equal to 9. This is what we already calculated from the beginning. Only to formality completion, I am taking this. 9 cube is 729, 9 square is 81. Once you add both the numbers, your answer will come out 810. So that means two imaginary solutions, two imaginary roots, imaginary solutions, and one solution is real solution. So this is how we will calculate. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.